We're here at the industry body SIAM Speaks. It's a platform where we talk about future technologies, the past, what has happened, present, what is happening. And today we are joined by Mr. Girish Wagh. He is ED of Tata Motors Commercial Vehicle Unit. Thank you for talking to us, Mr. Wagh. And let's begin by talking about alternate fuel vehicles. There are many fuels available in the market: compressed natural gas, electric vehicles, hydrogen-based fuels. How do you see the future of these fuels in electric mobility, specifically in commercial vehicle sector?
Right. So I think as a part of sustainability transition, the end goal is to reach zero emission fuels, right? So all the vehicles have to move towards zero emission. But this transition in commercial vehicles specifically is through natural gas as an alternative, because natural gas also leads to some CO2 reduction. And also there have been proposals of bringing in ethanol, methanol, or even biofuel. So I think these fuels have been coming in with an agenda to reduce import dependence or have some import substitution. So I think as a company, we have been clearly working towards the destination, which is zero emission fuels. But at the same time, to ensure that the journey happens smoothly, we have also worked on these alternate fuels, and we have vehicles across the portfolio with these alternate fuels. Even within zero emission fuels, I think there are three technologies that we're working on. First is, of course, battery electric, which is for intra-city closed loop kind of an application, light duty kind of an application. So buses, light and small commercial vehicles are there. We are also working on fuel cell electric as a future technology, which we use hydrogen as a fuel. And then using hydrogen as a fuel in internal combustion engine, which seems to be more amenable for heavy duty, long haulage kind of application. So I think we have been working on all these applications. And if you see, by now we have more than 3,000 electric buses on the road, which have covered more than 200 million cumulative kilometers. In small commercial vehicles, we sold more than 5,000 of ACE electric vehicles, cumulatively covering more than 43 million kilometers. We also piloted some of our battery electric heavy commercial vehicles, which will give us good feedback, and we can then go for parallel deployment, horizontal deployment. So I think that's what we've been doing. And as I said, since the journey goes through natural gas, we are also having products with compressed natural gas in small commercial vehicles, intermediate light commercial vehicles, as well as buses. We also have liquefied natural gas fuel vehicles for long haulage heavy commercial vehicles.
Okay, what opportunity it presents for India? Because as we leapfrog in technologies, definitely some countries stand to gain. For India, what kind of opportunity is there if we want to expand our manufacturing base and be known in the world as as the harbinger of growth as far as the alternate fuel technologies in commercial vehicle sector are concerned?
Right. So I think this government's push towards sustainability and zero emission is going to be a boon for the industry, right? Because as we develop capabilities in these technologies, and as we also work backwards and integrate vertically with the help of the production link incentive scheme, I think it will give us a significant capability as an industry. And with this, we can certainly start looking at countries which are at our level of development, right? So we are looking at quite a few countries in the world where these products can go, and we can get a foothold, which otherwise in the earlier days would have been difficult due to differential regulatory norms. So I think we do look at this as an opportunity for increasing our competitiveness in international markets.
All right, pleasure talking to you, Mr. Wagh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.